McDonald's breakfast against Ungrounded. And the project was requested by Yoshi5. Finding this forward.
And this project was inspired by Aubrey the Plotigan Girl 2K2.
Hey Scratch Cat and Stephanie Cat, we are going to McDonald's for breakfast.
Yeah, I love McDonald's.
So do I.
Bueno, you all do. Now let's get in the car.
When they arrived at McDonald's.
Good morning, and welcome to McDonald's. How may I take your order?
I would like a sausage burrito with a medium decaf coffee.
I would like a bacon egg cheese bagel with a large iced French vanilla coffee.
I would like a chicken McGriddle with a medium cappuccino. And I would like a hot cookies via medium americano.
I'm sorry Scratch Cat and Stephanie Cat. You both can't have coffee, because you both are too young for coffee.
Oh man.
But don't feel bad. You both can choose orange juice with your breakfast.
Okay, Mom and Dad. We will choose orange juice with our breakfast.
Good kids Scratch Cat and Stephanie Cat.
Good job, Scratch Cat and Stephanie Cat. You are such big kids. We are so proud of you.
Ok, that will be a $27.62.
Here's $30. Keep the change.
Thank you. Your breakfast will be ready soon.
10 minutes later.
Here is your breakfast. Enjoy.
Thank you.
This is so good.
Wow Scratch Cat and Stephanie Cat. I'm glad you both like it.
Hey, what is going on over there?
Daddy, give me the cappuccino right now. So give me a cappuccino right now.
No, my Pingu, you aren't getting a cappuccino, because coffee contains caffeine. So, you either drink your orange juice, or we are going straight home with no breakfast and you will just have a salad.
You know what? That's it. I'm throwing the food away.
You know what, Pingu, you stupid. That's it. Let's go home right now and you are just going to have a salad for breakfast.
No, Daddy, I'm sorry. I don't want salad for breakfast. I want McDonald's for breakfast.
Wow, Dark Foxy is such a spoiled brat.
I know a Scratch Cat and Stephanie Cat. But let's just eat our breakfast right now.
Okay, Mom and Dad.
When they got back home.
Stephanie Cat and Scratch Cat, good job for behaving at breakfast. We are very proud of you.
You both are ungrounded. You both can do whatever you both want to do.
Oh, thank you, Mom and Dad. You are the best parents ever.
Guys, hope you watched this good video. I remixed for my first time. Welcome back. So, follow my video, like it, share it, and follow my channel. Bye! And even also, can I make that subscription?